Hi, I'm Jeff Jensen.
And I'm Mike DeSimone. And together, we're the World Wine Guys.
Welcome to our show, World Wine Guys, What We're Drinking. So today we're going to be talking about hearty wines for fall cooking. It's starting to get a little bit cooler out there, so I'm thinking a little bit heartier food, heartier wines.
Yeah, I mean,
right?
we've been cooking all summer long, but as things
Sure.
change, as you start to see there are like different things at the farmer's market and everything, and maybe you need to put on a sweater at night, or even it's time to light the fire pit. We just think about cooking foods that are a little bit heartier, and also making sure that we have the right wines to pair with them.
Speaking of white wines, we're going to start off with a white wine that's hearty. And this one is Sequoia Grove Chardonnay. So this is from the Rutherford AVA in Napa Valley. And this is a little bit bigger Chardonnay. This is a Chardonnay that can stand up to food. And in fact, we'll talk about a food pairing after we taste it.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful place too. I mean, it's got Sequoia Grove, as it might sound. I mean, it's just this beautiful wood-beamed building, and it's in this grove of towering sequoia trees. It's really lovely there, but
it's right on St. Helena Highway, so it's right in the middle of Napa Valley, right in the middle of wine country. So we've been there many times, and they love to welcome visitors. So when you go out to Napa, this is a great place to go.
All right, well, let's give that a taste.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching. Wow, that
Wow.
smells big and it smells so delicious. So.
Yeah, I mean, you can even tell. I know that this is like fermented in oak, and it's barrel aged, and you really get that. You get that spice on the nose.
Yeah, but oh wow, it tastes great too. So I kind of jumped ahead. But I'm also getting a lot of beautiful like citrus peel.
Yeah.
And like lemon curd.
Lemon curd, almost like, I mean, it's not sweet at all, but almost like the feel of like a lemon meringue pie. Almost like lemon, but it's creamy in the mouth as well.
It's very creamy in the mouth. So this is a Chardonnay that's going to stand up to bigger dishes. Maybe like a fish in a cream sauce, like a Dover sole, or even like pork medallions in a pepper cream sauce.
Yeah, like a chicken with mushrooms would be great with this.
So as we're cooking a little bit, bolder food, think about having a bolder wine. So this one, I can just keep smelling this. This one's from, you can get at garyswine.com, and it's about $20 a bottle.
Okay, all right. Well, let's move on to the red wines.
Okay.
Okay, so this next one is Montesu Isola del Nuraghi.
Very good.
So, thank you. So this
Montesu Isola del Nuraghi. It sounds just such a beautiful Italian, but it's actually from Sardinia, which is Italy as well.
Which is Italian.
Don't tell the Sardinians that.
But this is, well, I'm Sicilian, so all the islands are their own countries. But anyway,
each one's its own continent.
So this is Carignan, or as they call it, Carignano.
Yes.
From the beautiful island of Sardinia.
A
lot of ripeness in it, right? I can smell it from here.
I'm getting like black fruits, black raspberry, even like a little bit of cassis. And the thing about Sardinia and about this winery, this is Agricola Punica. And so all of these grapes are harvested by hand. And if you've ever been to Sardinia, as we have, it's a very challenging landscape to grow grapes, and they do a really nice job. But let's give this one a try, shall we?
So cheers, and cheers to all of you. Thanks for watching.
I'm getting a lot of the same flavors that I got in my nose.
Yeah, on the nose you've got like the black, like the cassis and the plums and the blackberry. I mean, just all of the like if there's a dark fruit, it's in there.
Exactly. But I'm getting a lot of like really velvety tannins. It's really very smooth and silky on the palate. So this one, let's talk about some food pairings.
You know what? I would definitely. I mean, I grew up eating leg of lamb. My mom used to make it on Sundays. This would be great with leg of lamb.
Or a roast beef. I mean, I grew up on roast beef.
Right. Or I mean, even just if you don't want to put something in the oven, like for a long time, this would be great with just grilled lamb chops as well. Very nice with that.
Really, really nice. So this one you can get at winechateau.com, and it's about $40 a bottle. So a really nice wine from Sardinia.
Well, this is cool because we are traveling around the world today.
Yes, we are.
We've been to California, we've been to Sardinia, and now we're about to go down to New Zealand.
Right.
In fact,
kind of down under, but New Zealand down under.
Right. And so this is from Martinborough in New Zealand.
Right.
This is Craggy Range Pinot Noir. I know we've talked about this before when we've had Pinot Noirs from New Zealand. New Zealand it's really far south. It's not that far from Antarctica. The south of the South Island, there's fjords there.
It's kind of like the Arctic, but it's the Antarctic.
Exactly. So it's a good cold wine growing region, which is just perfect for Pinot Noir.
Right. And this one, we've been to Craggy Range, and it's an absolute beautiful winery, and they have a great restaurant there. And we had a really, really nice time that we spent there.
Yeah, I know this is from the Tamuna Road Vineyard, and Tamuna means the secret place.
Right. So it's a secret vineyard, but we know where it is.
Don't tell everyone.
Well, maybe we'll tell you next time.
All right.
Let's give this a try.
All right. So,
cheers.
Wow.
I love Pinot Noir, but I really love Pinot Noirs coming from New Zealand. This one has a lot of beautiful red raspberry for me, red plum, even a touch of strawberry.
Yeah,
it's just
it does. It's really got the bright fruits. There's a little bit of it's got really nice, smooth, like velvety tannins.
Like black cherries.
But there's some chocolate in there
You're
as
right.
well. But then it's got that like bright orange peel on the finish too.
So I would pair this one with like a mushroom risotto for our vegetarian friends. Mushroom risotto goes really, really nice with Pinot Noir. It's very, very earthy, and it matches really, really well.
Yeah, I think also like an herb roasted chicken, like you put like some thyme and oregano and rosemary on a chicken.
Herbs de Provence.
Herbs de Provence, exactly. That'd be great. Even if you're a duck person, this would be terrific. Even with with just a seared duck breast as well.
A Magrette Canard, which is really beautiful. So this one you can get at wine.com. And it's about $47 a bottle. This is a really wonderful, well-made Pinot Noir from New Zealand.
All right. Well, we are.
We're still going around the world.
We're down in the southern hemisphere, and now we're going to jump to the other side of the southern hemisphere. We're going to go to Argentina.
Thank you.
And this is Bodegas Norton Malbec Reserva.
It's a mouthful.
You know what? I wanted to say Reserva Malbec. So it's like
Malbec we can say
Reserva.
that Bodegas Norton Reserva Malbec. So
exactly.
This is a Malbec from Mendoza, which is one of the premier wine growing regions in Argentina. And this is just, Malbecs tend to be really big and bold. This one is big and bold, but it also is very sophisticated.
Yeah.
That's why I really like this one. That's why we're showing you.
One of the cool things about Mendoza, it's you get a lot of hot sun in Argentina, but it's this high mountain plain at the foothills of the Andes.
It's beautiful.
So even though there's like hot sun, it's actually very cool, and it's cold at night. I mean, it's almost like a desert at night. So again, that keeps the freshness in the grapes and keeps this from being overripe.
And these vines, by the way, are between 30 and 50 years old. So these are nice, mature vines that are producing great fruit. But enough talk. Let's taste
you can actually smell that complexity.
Yeah,
you can actually smell that. You've got
I'm getting a lot of cassis.
Dark fruits, cassis.
Black plums.
Yeah, black plums. But you also get that it's like Christmas baking spices.
You're right.
Almost like gingerbread spice, like that cinnamon and that nutmeg and anise. And can we drink?
Can we taste it now,
yeah,
please?
Yes. Less talking, more drinking.
No.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching, everybody. Okay, that was worth waiting for. That's a big, bold Malbec, but very elegant, very sophisticated.
Again, that seamless transition.
Right.
You've got the fruit flavors, the cassis, the black plum. You have the spice in there as well, and really beautiful tannins.
This is another one I could just smell all day. With this one, I'm thinking like baked pasta, baked
Oh yeah,
ziti,
baked ziti, lasagna, cannelloni, anything like that would be
or
terrific.
grilled meats as well. I mean, that's a typical go-to with Argentine Malbecs.
Yeah.
I think this one could stand up to really nice Italian food or grilled meats, whatever you're choosing to have. Just because it's getting a little bit cooler out doesn't mean you can't grill anymore.
Exactly. So this one is available at TotalWine.com, and it's $23. And although we are very, very sad to see summer go, we do get excited when fall rolls around and we can start eating heartier foods and drinking some slightly heavier wines.
You know, it's as you said, we get a little bit sad, but I'm not too sad with all these great wines. So
exactly.
Until next time, I'm Jeff Jensen.
I'm Mike DeSimone, and thanks for watching World Wine Guys, What We're Drinking. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.